Yes. Mzansi, I want to quickly reflect and say this again. Although it's disappointing, I understand that Julius Malema owns the EFF. You can't attack a person and then tomorrow you justify your attack as a debate. Marshall is saying no one attacked Mkhwanazi. Instead, Mkhwanazi joined a debate. There's no such thing. Julius Malema attacked Mkhwanazi. You cannot say a person is a coward and you call that a debate. You cannot be disrespectful to the general and say that is a debate. That's a lie. Now, they are noticing, or rather they are realizing that they took a wrong turn. Now they are making excuses as to no, it was a debate. There's no debate. Julius Malema couldn't explain to the public about these alleged relationships that he had. Even the late Mswazi guy, Julius Malema never came up and say, yes, I know the guy. Julius Malema never came and say, yes, I did communicate with so and so, or we do communicate. Regardless of Malema doesn't have illegal things to do, but to say you know someone, it's not wrong. But for Marshall to come and say, no, Mkhwanazi debates and all of that, that is nonsense. General Mkhwanazi didn't do any debate more than he was just saying that Julius Malema is friends of so and so. Simple as that. We might not have the qualifications of UNISA, but we can see when you are lying. So, Mhlekazi, Secretary General, stop being coward. Stop defending Julius Malema. Malema ebengadebate into noMkhwanazi ebemdelela eziveza aba umendawuni. And ke ngoku uflip-flop qha ngoba uMalema eyona nto angafuni yenza kuxelela isizwe into yoba yintoni ubuhlobo bakhe naba bantu. So I don't agree kule nto uyithetha. Andivumelani nawe Secretary SG Marshall Dlamini. Khawuye kuba ligwala. uMalema makaziphenduleni, maangakhonyelwa nguwe leadership. Nanko.